Hello everyone, welcome back. And in today's video, we'll be looking at weekly market analysis. Let's see what happened with the market this week, Nifty and Bank Nifty, and also we'll be looking at the levels for Monday next week. And for next week, let's see what are the different levels which we can focus on. Before that, if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please get subscribed to our channel. So let's begin this. So if I open Nifty chart right now, so if you look at Nifty carefully, if you look at Nifty carefully, as we discussed in earlier videos, let's discuss about today. Then the entire week we are going to discuss. Okay, so this week, today, if you look at it today, market is traded here only this region. You can see that, but probably next week it can come and fill this gap in the coming days. Probably Monday, if it opens like this and break this, there is a possibility that it can move higher. So that is Monday market that is. And if I go into one day chart, okay, let's take a one day chart. Let's see this week, let's analyze. So the crucial support was this is if I take horizontal line here, if I put it here, this was the crucial support. This is a multiple support market earlier it is taken. This week, if you look at it, market is trying to go down, but bounced from this level. It took a complete support. It's a V-shaped recovery. It is happening in this market actually. So but still, where it can go after breaking this, it can fill this gap and try to reach this important level with the market is aiming for. But there is a support here. This support, let's look into that, very much important right now for the coming days. And if I look at this, if it is able to successfully break out and go like this next week, I'm discussing about, and what it can do is that it can come back and take a support from this level. It will, like, once it is now it is acting as a resistance right now, but once it breaks, it will become a support. If it goes like this, that is going to be the bottom for the market, if you ask me. But if it is failed to break this, just took a resistance from here coming back here, there is a possibility again market will go back for the double bottom and start moving higher. That is also one more possibility is there. Okay, so if I go and look into the weekly chart right now, so let's go to the weekly chart. You can see that this is the candle, which is previous week it has recovered that loss. Actually, this week is a gaining week if you look at it carefully. So it looked like it took a support, but let's see how it is going to react in the coming week. It will follow up, candle comes, waiting comes again like this. So this is a kind of pattern, maybe I am expecting, for example. So it can go like this, come back once again, then slowly started recovering and going upside. That kind of possible momentum also is there in a market. And if I go into the Nifty Bank, okay, so Nifty Bank, if I go into the Nifty Bank, if you look at this, there is a support here, there is a support here. You can clearly see that once that breaks, okay, for example, let's come back here. This week completely it is traded here. So this is the inside bar. You can see it is traded inside here. But actually, if I look at 1 hourly chart, I will explain clearly. You can see that last week also I told you that this is going to be the important level, this level, okay, and exactly that is where it made a triple bottom right now, Bank Nifty. In the coming days probably, so it is will try to break this and reach higher. Once it breaks this, we will have some sharp momentum to these levels. Important levels are there here. So what can happen, it break and go back and take a support, then it may start moving higher from these levels. Okay, so yeah, so from this it can break and move higher. Okay, so this is expected in a Nifty Bank. Okay, if I go into one day chart, and if I go into the monthly chart, okay, so and it will come back, and for example, the kind of recovery we are expecting is slowly in a monthly chart. Slowly it will start moving, some pause and slowly going and then building this kind of pattern. Then it can break and go upside, or else in a monthly chart, if you look at it, so some waiting may come like this, and it may break in a new year or something like that. That is also possible. Is there some sort of consolidation may come in Bank Nifty if you look at the monthly chart, okay? But if you look at the monthly chart of Nifty, so you can see that and this is where looks like market is taking a support. Probably it can go like this, come back like this, then slowly start recovering and start moving higher. That is also possible. And a few stocks we discussed earlier before market was falling. Look at this. This stock really how it is blasted upside, and we discussed about this in an earlier videos, I think. Look at this is TCPL. It's broken out of the consolidation and the stock went higher after consolidation. You can see that. I know I just kept watching this stock, and look at how this stock also mentioned this stock actually. And one more stock I mentioned is Mezagon. Mezagon, if you look at it, I told you to keep eye on this for many days. Now you can see that it is broken, that it is started moving higher here. You can see that, right? It is broken the recent resistance here and started moving higher. Probably it may reach this level also, okay? And once it breaks, and you may see a huge momentum in Mesodoc. Please keep eye on this stock. It's really very important stock. And let's see what happened with the Kelata. Is it improving? Um, these kind of a stocks you have to keep eye on, okay? Very much important. Still, Kelatan is not improved yet, probably it has worsened the condition, Kelatan. That's why I told to wait, okay? It may take a lot of time, probably. Let's leave this. No, it's not. It's already, the pattern is broken. Once it broke this support, the pattern isn't disturbed. Right now, we'll not go into this. Mesogam, still it is there, valid is there. You can keep eye on that, okay? And in my opinion, next week also probably market may bounce. Let's see how it's gonna progress, okay? And this is my analysis for next week. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and then we'll be coming with another video. Until then, please take care. Thank you.